In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a whiteboard page in Canva. If you're working on a design and want a space to brainstorm ideas, map out a flow, or sketch freely without affecting your layout, a whiteboard page is perfect. It gives you an open, flexible canvas right inside your current project, so you can ideate and design in one place. Start by opening the project you're already working on. Once you're in the editor, look for your page thumbnails. You'll see them lined up as small previews of each page in your design. At the end of that sequence of thumbnails, right along the bottom, there's a plus icon. This plus is how you normally add a new page. What we want, though, is the small arrow next to that plus. It might look like a tiny triangle or caret. Click that arrow to open a quick menu with options for what kind of page you'd like to add. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Whiteboard. Go ahead and click Whiteboard. The moment you select it, Canva will insert a new whiteboard page right into your project, positioned alongside your existing pages. You don't have to leave your design or switch modes. It's added instantly, and you can start using it right away. From here, you're free to do whatever you like with it. Think of the whiteboard as a spacious, unstructured canvas tailor-made for brainstorming. You can drag in text, shapes, sticky notes, and lines, or sketch out ideas using drawing tools if they're available in your plan. Because it sits within your project, your whiteboard page will follow the same file, share, and export settings as your other pages. That means you can collaborate with teammates, collect feedback, and keep all your thinking tied directly to the design it supports. A quick note on workflow. Using a whiteboard page is great for planning out sections of a presentation, outlining a video sequence, or capturing feedback during a review. Since it's placed right in your page list, you can easily jump back and forth between your polished pages and your rough ideas without losing your place. If you ever need to reorganize your project, you can move the whiteboard page up or down to keep it near the content it relates to. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click the arrow next to the plus at the end of your page thumbnails, choose Whiteboard, and start brainstorming. Simple, quick, and all in one workspace.